Welcome to another DVT Solutions product assembly video. In this demonstration, we'll guide you through the process of assembling a probe adapter to connect the DVT30 dual mode differential probe to the DVT FP250 probe positioner arm. This setup enables horizontal probing on test pads for conducting both time and frequency domain measurements. Let's get started. To begin, we'll prepare the DVT30 probe, which you can see here with its hand grip installed. First, use a small hex wrench included in the DVT30 1mm probe kit to remove the hand grip. Once removed, the probe is ready for the next step. Let me demonstrate. Next, we'll install the probe into the GigaProbe's micromanipulator adapter, or GPMMA. Pick up the GPMMA probe adapter. Loosen the screws on the two crossbars to lift them, creating a space under it for the probe to slide underneath. Okay, now carefully slide the probe into the adapter, ensuring that the flanges with the twin X cable is soldered is positioned underneath the first bar. Once the probe is in place, tighten the crossbars to secure it firmly. Finally, insert the screw that'll connect it to the adapter through the top of the GPMMA adapter and slide the washer over it and set it aside. Next, we'll install the 3-hole adapter that will connect to DVT30 probe that's installed in the GPMMA adapter. We first set both screws in their holes to make it easier, so that when you put it down, you can just screw them in. There. Now we'll connect the GPMMA to the first hole in the adapter. So now we have our DVT30 attached to the GPMMA adapter. We're going to attach it to the final assembly with the T connector here. So I'm going to make sure that we have the washer at the bottom here. We're going to take our fingernail and just kind of hold it on there so it doesn't fall off. Put that over the hole, and then take an Allen wrench and tighten it down. Make sure you have the DVT30 up high enough off the table so it doesn't hit it when you're attaching it. So there you go. We've got the full assembly. I'm going to do a kind of a bonus here at the end here. We include these right angle connectors for your cables. They're kind of a strain relief. So you connect them to the end of the T connectors on this DVT30 probe. And what's going to happen is when you get those in place, when you put your cables on there, you kind of want to have these pointed down towards the table. So you kind of drape the cables down, and it takes the strain off the connector to cable assembly so they don't break prematurely.